I'm really stepping up my game. These bitches gotta start paying me for this. Can't get no more free, Randy.
Yeah, girl. Like, I don't know who's all gonna be there. Wait, time out. I think somebody said something about Tony Gonzalez, and you know that's my man. Yeah, I mean, my little brother's supposed to be home, not going to party. But I'm not worried about my little brother. He know he's not supposed to throw a party, and I'm gonna try to go to the party myself. Girl, we finna be up through there. Yeah, girl. But let me make sure my brother understands that there is no live party on September 14th. Girl, I know. Stokes! Yeah, looks like that. Hey, Stokes. You know Mom and Dad are going out of town on the 14th, which means no loft party.
They're going out 14th, right? You said 14th?
Yes, September 14th, no loft party.
No party.
No. Remember what happened last time? Yeah. Somebody punched a hole in the wall.
What?
Somebody broke the door, and somebody broke the knob. No parties. I'm serious. I'm responsible for you, even though I'm going out of town myself.
You leaving?
Yes, which means no loft parties. Are you stupid?
14th, right?
The 14th, which means no loft parties. I understand that you want to have a party with J.Smilez and DJ Matrix or whoever,
that's my
but I don't care.
My DJ.
No loft party.
I got you.
You don't have it. Mama's gonna kill you. Daddy gonna take the car keys and I'm gonna let him.
Nah.
Yeah. Mess this up if you want. I'm gonna kill you.
Okay.
You know you broke the knob off the last time. Yeah, girl.
Who that? My boy Stokes, what it is? Always going down. September 14th, law party. Breaking knob on part 2. I'm in that, baby.